This course in particular, I feel like we have a number of hands-on experiences and trying to get the students real-life experience. It provides students that opportunity to take the knowledge that they've been building and gaining for a long time and really start to apply that and think about it in different perspectives.
Getting to do this class and getting to actually experience being the counselor for a client was super important, and it gave me the confidence of oh wow, I can do this, and this is what I really enjoy and what I want to do.
Up until this point, they've been learning about all of these different subjects, and so now here's a chance to compile everything, to synthesize all of these different aspects of dietetics into working with someone. And it's important, right? It's someone's real life. So students like that. They're nervous, about applying those skills for the first time.
At the beginning of the semester, when I tell students that they're going to be working with real people and providing nutrition counseling to them for 3 sessions, I get some concerning stares at times. And so to me, I think one of the biggest pieces of growth that I see in them is their confidence as a professional.
They like that they're trusted to synthesize that information. They're trusted to go out and have this experience and learn from it.
Nutrition counseling can definitely be a scary thing, especially this is our first time doing anything like this and using motivational interviewing and kind of the education we've had leading up to this. So throughout our 3 sessions, I felt like I was able to build a relationship with my client and give her advice within my scope of practice, and look forward to seeing what I can do with that in the future.
Working one-on-one with them, you get to just see a completely different side of dietetics. When you start actually meeting up with clients, it becomes so much more personal, which I love about it.
Students experience tremendous growth through working one-on-one with different clients.
And something that I've heard from the students for a number of years and from alums of just how much they appreciate those real-life opportunities to prepare them for going out into the career field.
Very impactful, and once I get my clients in the future and I'm working as a dietitian, I will definitely think back to this course.